Hey there, welcome to another FileDrop demo. Today I want to present you our new tool, Automations. As the name says, it's an automation flow that allows you to monitor Google Sheets or Google Drive folders for changes, and when this happens, it triggers different types of actions. So, to get started, this is the admin panel in the FileDrop app. It looks really simple. Here we have a simple AI prompt area that we can tell the AI what to create for us, and we're going to use that. Or we can use the button from here, and we can create an automation directly from this page. As a demo, I'm gonna tell the AI to monitor a Google Drive folder for new files, and then update with a new row a Google Sheet. So this is not a hard automation, but let's try it. Google Drive folder and update a Google Sheet. I'm gonna click generate, and let's see what it gives us. Awesome. So this is how it looks like. We already have a name, and it selected already the Google Drive folder. What I need to do is select the Google Drive folder, and I'm gonna select this folder test1. Maybe I need to save it so I can find it. I'm gonna click continue. So the trigger here we have, it's a new file upload, but we can also have files modified. So I can select a file that if it's changed, we can monitor it, and then we can do something about that. Here we have some conditions that we can set, but for this demo purpose we don't need it. And then we have the actions. Here I need to select the Google Sheet that I want to update when a file is uploaded in my Google Drive folder, and I'm going to select this one. And it gives me some options here. So it's gonna add in column A the file name, and maybe I'll select column B the file URL. We have some templates variables here that we can use, but you can play around anytime you like with that. So let's activate the automation. Okay. And now let's go to Drive, and again so basically if I add a new file here, I should see a new row added here. So let's do that. File upload, and I can add any okay, the file was added to the folder, and I see that it ran. Okay, so here it is. So it takes a bit for the Google Sheet to update in the browser, but we have the file name and the link here. We also can see the logs that the last run was 36 seconds ago. We can edit this. Maybe we need to change something. We can easily maybe add different values, or we can do different things with the automation. So if you want to test this, go ahead and create an account at getfiledrop.com and let us know what you think. Thank you and see you next time. Cheers. Bye.